the expected value is just going to be the probability of something times the value of it. So, expected value of me winning the lotto. Probability of me winning the lotto is 1 out of 25 million. Minus 24,999,999, 25. So over here, you win, and then the lotto, I guess right now it's about 8 mil. But I'm for sure going to lose my dollar that I paid for it. So you've got minus because I paid this, and then this is positive because we win it. So it's basic, but they use the hell out of this, so you need to know that. Standard symbols. Those are union, intersection. So this is or. This is and. You'll see this one, it just means it's a member of. So X is in something, Q. Sometimes you'll also see it like that. Same thing, member of. The line just means such that. Upside down A means for every, and then the backwards E means there exists.